Greetings, fellow vendors. In today's video, we are going to be doing a collection from my Dixie Narco 500 can machine I have at a mobile home park. As you can see, the machine's all restocked, ready to go for another week. We'll see how it did. Nice amount of change in there. We'll give a nice quarter waterfall. And a straggler coin. Gonna get my lucky quarter I keep in the bucket. Onto the cash. This machine did $85 for a week. $14 of that was in credit cards. For more vending related content, like and subscribe. Have a great day, everyone.